Hola, this is Professora Kate with a quick video tutorial on how to prepare for our first week of online conversation lab. When you registered for the course, you chose a particular lab section that meets at a certain time each week. If you need to check the time of your lab session, you can go to Start here in the main menu and look under Step 6 where the schedule is posted. When the time comes for your lab, click on Conversation Lab in the main menu. From here, you'll be able to see the instructions for the first week of lab, which will be an orientation session, as well as the grading. Each week of lab will have a separate set of instructions and a separate grading rubric. It's important to come in and check the instructions and grading rubric several days before your lab each week so that you can prepare adequately. Preparing for lab is like preparing for a quiz in a traditional face-to-face class. In order to be able to speak and converse, you need to have memorized the vocabulary as well as the grammar rules so that you can create sentences and questions and participate in conversation. When you're ready to enter the conversation lab room, click on the link here at the top. It may take a few moments to open the lab room, so it's important to start logging in ahead of your scheduled lab time. From this screen, click on Conversation Lab Room, and again, it will take a few moments to open. Once you're in the lab room, I will show you some of the controls that you will need to use in order to participate in lab. For example, you will need to be able to turn on your microphone and webcam. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the icon that looks like a microphone. This is how you turn your microphone on and off. Then there's an icon that looks like a video camera. This is how you turn your video on and off. And next to that is a little person raising their hand. And this is what you click when you want to volunteer to answer a question or participate in a conversation. In the lower right-hand corner, there's a button that you can click to open the chat area. This is where you can post messages to the group or use some of the fun emojis. You can also see a list of the participants. This concludes our quick virtual tour of how to use the online conversation lab room. If you do have any questions before our first week of lab, don't hesitate to email me. I look forward to meeting all of you in lab. Hasta pronto!